So this practice is a sounds practice, and often we kind of imagine that we couldn't possibly be mindfully aware of being at work because it's so loud, it's so noisy, unexpected sounds, conversations that we can hear in the background or being invited to be part of. So here's a practice to see whether we can be mindfully aware of even these sounds, of these moments of busyness and loudness and sounds coming and going in our awareness in the office or at home, wherever we're working. So inviting you to do this practice with your eyes open and just beginning to tune in to whatever sounds are here just now. So maybe a sense of the number of sounds we can hear at one time, maybe lots of different sounds. Maybe some sense of their volume. Perhaps there is one that's particularly loud and others a bit quieter. Maybe a sense of how far away the sounds arise from. Maybe they're close by, maybe in the distance. And this inevitable naming that the mind does of the cause of the sounds, what's creating the sounds. And let's see if we can just drop below the knowing what's causing the sound and even the judgmental thoughts in the mind of wishing things were different. And just hearing the sounds as if they're an orchestra playing, perhaps. So the volume, but also the pitch, the tone, the rhythm of sound. Combination of sounds playing out in our environment. Perhaps the rumble of traffic that we can even feel in our chest or our belly. So simply receiving whatever sounds are here. The vibration of sound in the ears, the chest, the belly. The pull of sound. How the mind wants to get engaged with some sounds. So just here with sound. And maybe sounds appear that we hadn't noticed before. A ticking clock or some sound of a computer or the environment that's just normally tuned out from. So how possible is it just now to have a warm friendliness towards all these different sounds because they're already here? Maybe even a sense of, wow, look at all these sounds, listen to all the different types and variation of sound just now. And then, of course, when you're ready, you can just let the sounds be in the background of awareness once more as you refocus on some work you're doing or a conversation, or inviting you to do this as many times a day as feels right, just pausing and tuning in.